Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we will understand how we can call a transaction with different options inside Oracle Fusion. So let's suppose if I want to add element entries, this is one of the concepts in payroll that if you want to add element entries for an employee, what are different ways you can perform this action in Fusion? So in Oracle Fusion provides different ways to call a transaction, depends upon where you are working right now and what is your favorite way. So let me give you all the ways you can use to perform an action. So the first way is the global search bar. If you want to use this, you need to know the name of the action. In this case, we are going to use element entries. So I'm going to write element entries here. Okay. And under actions, it will show me element entries. So when I'll click on this one, it will open the element entries page. Here we can control the element entries for the employee. We'll select the employee and we'll do the element entries. Okay. So this is one of the way. The other way is because I'm doing this as a payroll specialist. So I have this option. Other way is you go under my client group and under apps, you will select the app name. In this case, it is payroll. So we will go in payroll. And here we have different tasks available under payroll app. So I can click on element entries. It will open up the same page and you can search for the employee and manage the employee element entries. Okay. This is second way. And third, another way is you can configure this element entries here in the quick action if it is regularly required. Otherwise, if it is not there in element entries, you can click here, show more, and you can, this is in my client group, and you will go under payroll. And let me find under payroll. Let me check payroll. Where is payroll? Payroll. Under payroll, I will select element entries. So I will come here and I will select element entries. Okay. So this will open up the same page and I can manage the element entries for the employee after searching for the employee. This is another way. And another way is you can use the side menu bar. Okay. And you can it's like the same navigation what we saw here, but it is showing in the vertical form. So you can use my client group and you can go under payroll app and you can search from element entries here and manage it. Okay, so this is how you can could do an action when you are into the global menu inside the application. However, there are different ways you can do it at employee level. This you selected the form, you search for the screen, and then you select for the employee, right? Other ways are you can do this action while working with the employee. For example, I'm under my client group. I'm under person management. For example, I want to manage the element entry for Max Allen. So now you are selecting the employee first and then do the action. And previously we were selecting the action and then we were searching the employee. So now when I select this employee, the employee is there. Against the employee under actions, it gives us all the possible actions we can do or transactions we can do for this employee. So there are absence payroll. So we know this it's under payroll. We will click on the element entries and it will open the same page, element entries. Yeah. Okay. So let me go back. There is another way is, so these are all different ways I'm telling you so that you get confidence how we can call a transaction in Oracle Fusion with different ways. You can do it either by action or when you click against employee name, you will see 3 dots. You will click there. It will open up the pop-up with the snapshot of the employee and it shows the different modules against this employee. You can come under payroll and you can click on the element entries. Okay, it opens up the same page. Another way is, for example, if you are working with this employee profile for something else, you are inside the employee profile. Okay, and then there is a quick action. Maybe you were working with the employee data and doing something else, so no need to go back and go to other pages. What you can do is there is a quick action. It gives all the important actions you can do for this employee in different modules. So under payroll, we will select element entries and it will open up the same page. Another way is this employee profile. When you see this employee profile, you are working with employee maybe at some other screen and you don't want to go to another pages. What you can do is Against this employee profile, you will see a three dot appearing. You will click here. It will open up the same pop-up with the snapshot. You will select the module and you will select element entries, and it will open up the same page. So these are all different ways how you can call a transaction. So just to get the ice breaking for you, to make you feel relaxed and understand how we can call the transaction with different ways inside the Oracle Fusion. So I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.